morning everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be doing a comparison video between my Gucci card holder, wallet, and my Chanel card holder. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, I did want to do a comparison video today between a Gucci card holder and a Chanel card holder. Now the Chanel one right here, as you can see, this is what she looks like. I do not have my Gucci card holder wallet anymore, but I did have it for about 6 months or so, and I have talked about it a lot. But I will show pictures and I will show like the ins and outs of the card holder so you can still see it. I still want to compare it to this wallet because I was so dumb and I forgot to do a comparison video when I still had the wallet before I sold it. So I still just wanted to do that. I think it'd be a nice fun video, and if you're like in between, should I get a Gucci wallet or should I go with the Chanel? So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the look of this wallet was super freaking cute. I have a picture of it right here. I'll have a picture of like the Google image, and then I'll also have pictures from my Poshmark because I sold it on Poshmark, and I go into more detail with the pictures there. Here's what it looked like. It was like a cute little pink wallet, and it was like a clamshell wallet, so you could snap it and then open it this way. And on the front it had 2 card holders when you first open it, and at the top bit as well it had 3 extra card slots. And then it also had a little pouch in the front for coins. It's like a zip pouch, and then it had a longer pouch on the end for bills. Like you would open it up and there was like a pouch for bills as well. So very practical wallet when it came to the design, I think. And I actually have the receipt. It was 340 euros, so not even 400 euros. So pretty impressive when it comes to the euros. I think it would probably be $450, maybe $500 US. So why did I even get this wallet? Why did I care enough to get it? Honestly, I really wanted like a designer wallet. I had seen this Gucci wallet around, and I want to say when I got it, it was like the summer collection. It was like summer 2021 Gucci, I want to say. Maybe at that time it would have been like fall winter. Maybe it would have already transitioned into fall winter. I got it while I was in Venice, and when I went into the Gucci store, the sales associate was like, oh my god, that's the last one we have. We're having a really hard time keeping that color in stock. And I remember really liking the wallet. It had a lot of space for what you get, not even 400 bucks, and it's like, it fits quite a bit, I thought. And I do miss the space for bills. One thing that I did notice though is that it really only fit euros. Like if you've ever seen like a euro bill, they're a little more square and they're kind of shorter than like a dollar. So whenever I was in Italy, I could fit the bills in their long ways, like the euros, and it fit in there just fine. But when I came back to America and tried to fit dollars in there, I kind of had to fold them because they were too long. So just keep that in mind. If you're buying something in Europe, it's probably going to be made for, you know, European currency. I don't want to talk too much about this wallet because I no longer have it, but I know I don't have anything in my hands to show you, so I don't want to talk about this too long. I'm looking on the website and they no longer have that exact wallet, but they have ones that are very similar. And I'm looking at this one right here, and it says that it's rose beige leather. I don't know what that means. It doesn't say what kind of leather it is. It's probably just like bovine leather, maybe lambskin. I don't know if it's lambskin, honestly, but I'll tell you one thing, they have some cool designs now. I'm usually not one that's like into exotics. Look at that. That's so cool. They have this beautiful green that I actually really like. If I were to get another one of these at some point, I would totally get this green. Look how cool. I was just trying to find the material it was made out of just so I could tell you, but it doesn't say. So I'm going to assume bovine leather. The quality was great, I thought. You know, I had this wallet for about 6 months and I used it every single day. That was my only wallet that I had. It held up pretty well. It did have a few dings on the edges, but and like a few little black marks on the edges, but definitely nothing really bad. It was a really good wallet. The size was the only thing that actually kind of got me. For my bags that I have, and I have like relatively small bags compared to a lot of people, I did notice that it ended up taking up more space than I would have liked it to. It is 4.3 inches wide, 3.3 inches high, and 1.2 inches in depth. So I did notice that it would take up a bit more space in my bag than I would like it to, and I had a hard time like Tetrising stuff in my bag to make sure that I could fit everything that I wanted. So that is actually why I ended up buying this wallet. This is the Chanel card holder, and it is in the caviar. As you can see right here, it is literally just a little rectangle. That's all it is. And I want to say, I don't know exactly what the dimensions are. I got this from Fashion File. I did not get it from Chanel or anything because I really wanted a cute color. And I went to the Chanel store near me and I tried to look and they were like, we don't have anything like that. So I was like, okay, whatever. And I will say, I think I probably overpaid for this. I really liked this color in particular, but you can find like black ones on Fashion File for like $495, something like that. So the length is 4.25 inches and the height is 3 inches. So it's literally just a little rectangle. It's just so cute. Look at that. And I still love this color. I love, 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 love this color. She's so freaking cute. She's like my favorite color. Well, one of my favorite colors. And I want to say that I spent like 600 bucks on this wallet. So definitely more than my Gucci card holder. I did, well, it's a wallet, not a card holder. I did use the money that I made from the Gucci to buy this wallet, so I only had to pay like maybe 100 bucks out of pocket or something for this wallet, so it wasn't too bad. Some people will say that I downgraded from the Gucci to this wallet. I don't know what it is about Chanel. I just really wanted a Chanel wallet. I don't know why. I wanted it to like match my Chanel bags, which it doesn't make any sense because I don't have a Chanel bag that's this color. I just wanted the Chanel vibes, I guess, is what I wanted, because I don't know, I saw a lot of people having a Chanel wallet, like people on Instagram and stuff, and I was like, oh, it just looks so nice. And like in my mind I was like, the Chanel is like the top of the line Chanel wallet, everything Chanel. So that is ultimately why I got this. I do not regret buying this in the slightest. I love this wallet. This wallet has been amazing. This wallet was already used when I bought it. It was in like excellent condition, but it was technically already used. And the quality of this is just really, really great in my opinion. The caviar leather from Chanel is kind of just known for being really good quality. I know that the bags have been having a bit of issue with quality as of late, but the SLGs and the accessories I feel like are still doing a pretty good job. I've had this for 6 months around now. I've used this every single day, and I will tell you one thing, I really, really like this better when it comes to my bags. I carry a lot of small bags. I don't have like the biggest bag that I have now is my medium classic flap. I don't have a lot of room in my bags. Like I even have mini bags. I recently ordered something from Jack Moose, so that's coming in very, very soon. I'm very excited. Stay tuned for an unboxing. I need small things just so they can fit in my bag. Would I buy another one of these? Absolutely. Yeah, I would. Yeah, 1,000,000% would. But I don't know if it's practical because like why do you need more than one wallet? Like I understand people like collect SLGs and stuff and they like to swap them out every like so often, like maybe every season. Some people do it once a week. Who cares? You know, you do you. But I don't know if I'm gonna get another one of these anytime soon. There have been some other ones from like YSL that I've liked. Now that I know they have that mint color Gucci wallet, I really like that one a lot too. But I haven't found any need to like get another one of these wallets, you know, because like, I mean, I guess I could get another one now because we're getting into like fall winter, so I could get like a fall winter color, but like then again, who really sees my wallet? This wallet, let me actually go over everything with you. I feel like I should have done this definitely before. I forgot, so I apologize. I'm gonna take everything out of my wallet right now just so you can see it. She's naked. Okay, so here's what she looks like. And here is the front. She has one card holder slot in the front. On the back, she has 2 extra card holder slots. And then in the middle, she does open up like this to where you could put bills or whatever else you desire. So what I do for my card holder is I have my credit card, my license, and another card. And it goes in this front pocket. And it fits in there 1,000,000% like good, snugly. Is that the word, snugly? I don't know. And then I have my Sephora card and my Ulta card, and it goes in the back. So right back here, and it fits in perfectly. And then I have like my debit card and my health insurance, dental insurance cards and stuff, and it goes in the other pocket in the back here. And then for this top pocket, I do put cash in here when I have it, but this right here is like my gate key for my apartment, so I usually just put it as well as my car insurance information in this middle pocket. It literally fits everything that I needed to. It's like a tiny little footprint, and it's so freaking cute. Honestly, I think I personally like the Chanel a little more. I do think it depends on which one you prefer, really. Like if you are just a Chanel lover, then you're probably gonna like the Chanel a little bit more. If you don't like Chanel and you like Gucci more, then you'll probably like Gucci more. You know, it all comes down to personal preference. Since having both of them, I have enjoyed my Chanel one a little more because of the smaller form factor, and it fits everything that I need except for coins. That's the only complaint that I have when it comes to this wallet. But yeah, you guys, that's been my comparison between the Gucci wallet and the Chanel card holder. I really hope that you did enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments what kind of wallet, card holder, long wallet, anything like that that you have. Let me know if you also have the Gucci card holder / wallet, and let me know if you have a Chanel card holder as well. Just leave me a comment telling me anything, just because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!